Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports with our 2006 Suzuki GSX-R600 sport bike. This is a really pretty one. It's got a lot of cool extras, including the Jardine GP style exhaust, so you make some noise. Fender eliminator kit. Also has the seat cowl on the top there, and frame slider, nice quality frame slider. Really clean bike. It's only $59.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. It's got only 18,000 miles. We've got financing available, extended service contract, warranties, insurance. I'll fire it up for you so you can see what she sounds like. Come by, check it out. Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.